All right, hey, what's going on? Brian Brewer here. I am the creator of the Affiliate Escape Plan 2.0 and this 90-minute affiliate challenge. I put together this 100% free course to bring you good, solid information that can show you how to start an affiliate marketing business. Now, with that being said, let's go ahead and jump into video 1 here. Remember, there's nothing for sale here. Over the next 9 videos, I just want to give you the best information possible, so hopefully you can start seeing some success in this amazing industry. And that's where we'll start today. We'll talk about what is affiliate marketing and why should you start here. And if you already have a pretty good idea of what affiliate marketing is, stick with me for just a few minutes here. I'm going to breeze through this really quickly, and you may pick up a little bit of insight that will help you in your future business here. So what is affiliate marketing? Affiliate marketing is a win-win agreement between product producers and freelance digital marketers. Basically, you and I are freelance digital marketers. In this win-win agreement, referral commissions are paid to the freelance digital marketers. Once again, that's us, for referring buyers to these companies that we partner with. Commissions themselves are payments. They're generally calculated as a percentage of the sale. So, for example, if we get a 50% commission for every buyer we refer to a product, and the product costs $1,000, then every buyer we refer to that product, we make $500. Now, to some people, $500 for one sale might seem like a lot, but that's what you're going to see in this free 90-minute affiliate challenge. Is there's a bunch of ways to do affiliate marketing. Some ways are better than others, and there's a very real potential to earn $500, $1,000, sometimes even $2,000 commissions here. So really cool stuff. You don't have to stack up a lot of those when you are doing that. When you're doing big commissions, you only have to make a few a month to really hit your income goals. So, right, how is this a win-win, right? Well, we give them buyers, right? We can partner with a whole host of companies and send buyers to them. We can pay for advertisements. We can create content. We'll talk more about traffic generation strategies later on in the course. But basically, we're bringing buyers to these companies. And pretty much everybody on earth has an affiliate program these days. Amazon, Best Buy, Walmart, all those companies that you can think of have affiliate programs. And you'll start to understand why, in the near future here in this 90-minute affiliate challenge. But also there's some lesser known products that have even better affiliate programs, which of course we'll talk about as well. So basically, when we give these companies buyers, they share some of the purchase price with us. I already gave the 50% of $1,000 sale example. Percentages can range anywhere from on the low end of like 1 to 2%, usually for physical products and stuff that's sold on Amazon, I think is right around 3%. Some companies will give you 100% commission. There's one product I promote. It's a $100 product, and when people buy it, it's a digital product. When people buy it, that company gives me the full $100 bounty. And you might be thinking, well, why would this company do this, right? Well, they have other products, and they just want the customer. So they want a buyer in their system. So if we refer them a $100 sale, well, that person is going to be likely to buy more stuff down the road. So they're more than happy to give us that full commission as a bounty. So that's pretty cool. Most of the good products range in the 30 to 60% range. Now, the reason this is a win-win, and I talk about win-win a lot because win-win is super important. If you've ever read this book back here, bear with me, I just knocked my whole stack down. The 7 Habits of Highly Effective People by Dr. Covey. It's a very famous book, sold over 40 million copies. Excellent read. I highly recommend it. Sorry about hitting the mic if you haven't already done so. But habit number 4 is actually, of the 7 habits, is think win-win. And that think win-win is what has made me a majority of my money in my affiliate marketing career. And you're going to see why as we go through these 9 videos in this free challenge. But the reason this is win-win is obviously we have an opportunity as affiliates, as freelance digital marketers, to go out there, partner with existing companies, start referring buyers and earning commissions without spending the time to create products. We don't have to do customer service, all that stuff. But also this allows companies, right, the people we're partnering with, to set their marketing budget. What that means is they know exactly how much they're going to pay to get a customer. That way they can structure their business around that number. And then, of course, we as freelance digital marketers earn the money without doing all that hard stuff that I just mentioned. And that right there, that win-win agreement, that marketing budget is why affiliate marketing is the future, why affiliate marketing is going to become more mainstream, why I believe affiliate marketing is going to become one of the best business models, side hustles, whatever you want to call it, on the internet, because I really believe affiliate marketing is the future, meaning now is the best time in history to actually learn how to do affiliate marketing. So if you can see here, I pulled these two stats from Adspresso, and basically what this shows, I know it's kind of small, you don't really have to dive into the numbers here. What this shows is the average cost per click by month for Facebook advertisements. And what you're going to see here is this is 2018 and this is 2021, which is the last full year that I've had data for. And you can see here, back in 2018, the average cost per click across the year was right around 30 cents. And if you look at the cost per click for Facebook ads on average for 2021, we're sitting right around 43 and a half cents per click. So right there, that's about a 40 to 48% increase over 3 years. That's almost a 50% increase in the cost of ads over 3 years. The ads are just going to go up in price. People are already getting priced out of the market. That's why companies need this affiliate agreement, this win-win agreement, so they can actually get customers without giving all their money to Facebook. So the sky's the limit. Basically, really quickly, there's 3 ways to do affiliate marketing that I see. I've done 2 of them over the years. One works a lot better, and I'll show you which one works the best in my opinion. But I want to cover all the bases. That way you can make a good, solid decision on which route you want to take. So the first way to do affiliate marketing is you rank for search terms. This can be on Google. You can write a blog. This can be done on YouTube. And basically what you're trying to do here is you're trying to rank for by keywords. So for example, let's say you're going to become an affiliate for fitness wear, right? Like, I'm not saying that's what you're going to do, but that's just an example that everybody can be familiar with. So let's say you're going to be an affiliate for Lululemon, who serves or who sells workout clothing. So what you would want to do is try to rank blogs or YouTube videos for things like 5 of the best workout tops, or 3 of the best workout pants for women, or 3 whatever sports bras that women can wear at the gym, and whatever, you know what I mean? Like, I don't know. Those are the things that you're going to want to rank for. And the idea here is when people go and they're looking to buy something like workout pants or whatever, they're going to go to Google, or they're going to go to YouTube. They're going to search for recommendations, and hopefully your video comes up. You give them a good recommendation about the product that you're promoting. They click your affiliate link and go buy the product. Then you're going to get a percentage of that sale. Problem is, ranking stuff takes forever these days, and a Google slap can shut you down. If they change the algorithms, you can go from ranking right up top down towards the second page, which is basically obscurity at that point. I know I did this from 2012 to 2016, and while I did make a little bit of money selling those blogs, after 4 years, I never really got past $3,000 a month, and that took a long time and a lot of effort to get there, which is great, but at that point I was working so hard on the blog, it felt like I had 2 jobs. It wasn't enough money to quit. I just don't really recommend it. The other thing you can do, way number 2, is you can become an influencer, so to speak. You see a lot of this on Instagram where girls have millions of followers or guys have millions of followers, and then they always talk about their favorite products, right? Like kind of like Oprah Winfrey did her favorite things years ago. This is what influencers do these days. They say, oh, I tried these new jeans, or I tried this new smoothie, or I tried this new protein powder, or whatever. And then they say, use my code to go save 20%. Well, that code acts like an affiliate link, and that's how they get their commissions. They get a percentage of that sale. The problem with becoming an influencer is you have to have a lot of followers to make this work, because a lot of time when you're promoting those type of products, you're down towards the 1 to 2 to 3 to 4% range in affiliate commissions, and it's just not going to you got to make a lot of sales basically for that to add up. Plus, there's always the constant pressure to create. You always have to be interesting, doing new cool things. And to me, that just seems like the hardest way to make money. Or you can grow a tribe and help them. Attract folks who are kind of like you. I say down here, teach them to tie their shoes and pass them off to the experts, right? What does that mean? Well, I'll talk about that really quickly, and then we'll get ready to go over to the next video. Basically, When we create content on YouTube, when we go out there and we share helpful information, the way the algorithms work is we start to attract people who are kind of like us. And because they're kind of like us, they can kind of relate to us. So when we recommend a product for them to go buy, they're kind of likely to go buy it. Now, this will all become more clear as we move forward, but basically I say it's kind of like teaching them to tie their shoes and passing them off to the experts. What does that mean? Well, when you're selling improvement offers, which we're going to talk about more in the next couple of videos here, you're basically selling people a way to make their life better, right? Everybody wants that. But you don't have to be the expert, right? You don't have to be the Tony Robbins. You don't have to be the guru. You don't have to be the expert in digital marketing or physical fitness or whatever product you're promoting. You just have to get people the confidence to say, yes, I want to move on. I like what you're saying. Show me how to get the results. That's when you pass them off to the expert. That's when they go buy the expert's product, and that's when you get paid a commission. Now, what do I mean by it's kind of like teaching people to tie their shoes? Well, here's the example I always like to give. Let's say you and I, right? You and I are going to go teach a kindergarten class how to tie their shoes. So what we're going to do is we're going to get up in front of class and we're going to start tying shoes. And what's going to happen here is half the kids are going to go and start watching you, and the other half the kids are going to go and start watching me. Why? Who knows? Some of them will be naturally attracted to you. Some of them will be naturally attracted to me. They're going to learn how to tie their shoes. You and I probably tie our shoes the same way. Neither one of us is probably better at tying our shoes. Even if we don't tie them the same way, we pretty much get the same result, tied shoes. So really, neither of us are any better, yet for some reason, we each attracted half of the classroom. It's just people like who they like for whatever reason they like them. And what that means, and that's the advantage you have here, as an affiliate marketer who's willing to go out there and create content, is if you just go out there and be your authentic self and share helpful information, then the people who like you for whatever reason are going to be naturally attracted to you, because that's how the algorithms work. You just have to have the courage to go out there and say, yeah, I'll create a little bit of content, and then pass them off to the expert. I know that sounds kind of confusing, but think of it like recommending your favorite restaurant, but you get paid to do it, right? If you went to a restaurant and had an amazing experience, would you be likely to tell your friends, hey, you got to go to this restaurant? Probably. And because they kind of like you, because they're your friends, are they going to be likely to go over there and probably try the restaurant? I would imagine so. That's the type of affiliate marketing we're going to be doing. That's the type of strategy we're going to dive into over the next 8 videos here. And it's just like recommending a restaurant to your friends, but instead of doing it out of the goodness of your heart, or because you want to share this experience with them, you do this to actually get paid. And I'm going to show you how you can make big commissions doing this. It's like your own first customer avatar. You just have to resist the temptation to try to go out there and be something you're not. So can you do that? Do you think you can go out there and just be yourself and maybe try to share some cool new things that you learn over the next 8 videos? If you can go out there and be yourself and share some cool things that you're going to learn over the next 8 videos, and I'm going to show you how you can transition that into actual money hitting your account. Pretty cool. All right, let's move on. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to select a niche or a niche, depending on how you want to pronounce it, and find an excellent product to promote. Plus, I'm going to give you a little hack that's going to help you succeed 2 times faster. I know that's a big claim, but it's the truth. And as soon as you see this, the light bulbs are going to go off. It's really cool. I'll see you in the next video.